This stylish washing machine from LG is perfect if you're looking for a model with superior performance and great technology. It has an incredible A++ energy rating, a 1400 RPM spin speed, and a large-sized 10-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. LG's SmartThinq with Wi-Fi lets you control your washing machine even when you're away from home. Just simply download the app on your smartphone or tablet, and from the palm of your hand, you can diagnose your machine, check the wash progress, or even add brand new programs. Meaning, no matter what life throws your way, there will always be clean clothes waiting for you at home. This model has Turbo Wash technology, which is a fantastic feature that helps to save energy and speed up laundry days. It uses a unique jet spray to penetrate your clothes, rather than leaving them to soak at the bottom of the drum. This technology uses 40% less water and 15% less energy. So, you'll be able to cut through your laundry pile faster and save money on your energy bills. If you're looking for a washing machine with superior performance and great technology, this stylish model from LG is the perfect choice.